just want to tell how people are misusing the technology to destroy the world. Do people really misusing the technology? Yeah, some of the people for their own selfish needs were using the technology in another negative way. So, how technology can be used? Let's see. For development and for arbitration. Arbitration, nothing but destruction. For development, let's see. How can you judge whether a nation is developed in technology or in space technology? Just knowing whether at what level it is using the technology in space. For example, India is developing country now, right? So we are also showing our level in technology. For example, the space orbit which was sent at Mars. No, people know, right? Mangalyaan. Yeah, it was just knowing whether life exists on Mars, like Earth. So we are researching all that things on Mars. So this shows how India is also going in that level. Next, do you people know what is this? No, it is unmanned air vehicle which is used in defense to know at borders. Border policemen who are present there use this to know whether how defenders means people who want to attack. The people will know how come at what place and at what time they are coming to attack. And next, this can also used not only for defense but also checking the weather, for also landslides detection, for also controlling the hunting of wildlife. Next, how technology is used in negative side. Next, hacking. You people know hacking? You people must have watched an movie, right? In that, so how hacking is nothing but exploring out the information for their own selfish needs. But hacking can be used in both positive and negative ways. For example, there is somewhat information related to a bridge constructed. So a hacker can hack hacker can hack this information about the bridge, and he may collapse or destroy the bridge. So it all depends on us how we use that. Hack can also be used for a positive side also. But how can we use it positive side? For breaking up the security mechanisms that are creating much things in many institutions also. Next. Some other evil purposes how people are using technology in another way. That's bomb blasting, creation of advanced weapons, cybercrime and hijacking. Hijacking also, that means they're communicating, right? People must have seen the Gagana movie. So for their own selfish needs, for example, they want to release somewhat the militants. So they will just hijack the plane and they will just say that we will leave the people in this plane if you hand over these 3 militants. Next, cybercrime. Cybercrime it is also a type of hacking which involves social networks. Through social networking only cybercrime is possible. And phishing. Phishing means people have emails, right? So we will receive a message saying that you have some problem in your account and you have to drop some amount of money for the recovery. So people will do in such a, we will go in a blind way to do that, to rectify that. So in that way also some people will earn money in bad means. Next, bank frauds. Next, kidnapping the children and getting the money. Next, do you people know which place is this one? Taj Hotel, which is present in Mumbai, which is known as City of Dreams. And next, this is a person who is responsible for the blasting was Ajmal Amir Kasab. Next, this is the blast happened at Lumbini Park at Hyderabad. So we have seen that. I just want to conclude that we have studied in the technology with the human face. E.F. Kimager had said that technology doesn't have emotions. Who is responsible for the development of technology? The human being, right? So it depends on human being whether how we use the technology in a positive way or a negative way. Thank you. Any queries?